Wine and Food Festival Burger Bash in our own Schweid Sons judges booth.
Schweid Sons, baby. Jamie Schweid, the Burger Bash. Best event of the South Beach Food and Wine Festival, hands down.
Burgers were all delicious.
To tell the truth, I'm full.
Super exciting. The vibe in here is awesome. Food even more delicious. I mean, I can't tell you how many burgers I've eaten.
What I love about this event, bring a lot of people together in Miami. That's what I love about it.
I've had so many great burgers, and it's so great to have all these amazing restaurants represented here in Miami, and I live here, so now I get to go and scope them out because I know exactly what their burgers taste like. Yes.
Good meat and good ingredients, like any good meal. Like Ice Cube said, I gotta say it was a good day.
Of the 2017 Schweid Sons Very Best Burger Award, Little Jack's Tavern. We're live backstage with the winner of the Schweid Sons Very Best Burger Award. We're here with John from Little Jack's Tavern. What did you create today?
Well, we call it our tavern burger, and it's one of the signature items on our menu. It's a real simple preparation. Onions, American cheese, special sauce on a locally baked bun with Schweid Sons patty. We cook it diner style on the flat top, get it nice and crispy. It's as simple as that.
Well, so all you folks that are in the market in Charleston, head on over to Little Jack's Tavern where you get to see the Schweid Sons trophy, but more importantly, you get to enjoy their famous burger.